What is the nucleus of a cell for GED science? Have you ever wondered what makes a cell tick? The answer lies in a tiny structure called the nucleus. This part of the cell is like a control center, managing everything that happens inside. The nucleus is surrounded by a special double membrane known as the nuclear envelope. This envelope keeps the nucleus separate from the rest of the cell, ensuring that its important contents are protected. Inside the nucleus, you will find the cell's hereditary material, which is called deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. This DNA contains all the instructions the cell needs to grow, develop, and reproduce. It is essential for the cell's life and function. The nucleus directs all activities by controlling how this DNA is used. The nuclear envelope has tiny openings called nuclear pores. These pores allow certain molecules, like ribonucleic acid or RNA, to move in and out of the nucleus. This movement is crucial because RNA plays a key role in protein production, which is vital for the cell's operations. Within the nucleus, there is a liquid substance known as nucleoplasm. This is where you will find chromosomes, which are tightly packed strands of DNA. The organization of DNA into chromosomes is important for cell division and ensuring that genetic information is accurately passed on to new cells. Another important component inside the nucleus is the nucleolus. The nucleolus is responsible for producing ribosomes. Ribosomes are essential because they create proteins that the cell needs to function properly. Without ribosomes, cells would not be able to carry out their necessary tasks. The nucleus also plays a role in copying DNA and regulating which genes are turned on or off. This regulation is important for making the right proteins at the right time, allowing the cell to respond to changes in its environment. In summary, the nucleus is a vital part of a cell that stores genetic information, controls cell activities, produces ribosomes, and manages the flow of molecules. Understanding the nucleus is important for GED science because it helps explain how cells function and maintain life. Knowing about the nucleus gives you a clearer picture of how living organisms operate at the cellular level.